So the challenge number 7 is to create a screen flow. And we are going to create the campaign record using the screen flow, and we're going to debug it. So let's first see how a campaign screen looks like. So let's create a new campaign. So we can see here campaign name, status, and start date is of type required. Also, the status has some values in it. Start date we can actually choose. So we're going to prepare a screen flow through which we can actually create a campaign record which has input of all the required fields. So we're going to create a new screen flow here. Click next. So we're going to drag and drop this screen element. Let's put the label as campaign screen. Now let's drag here the text field and let's label it as campaign name. Let's put it as required. If you want, you can put the error message or the help text here. As of now, I'm just leaving it as blank. For the start date, I'm going to drop the drag input here, date input here. Let's put it as campaign start date. Required. If you want, you can set the default value. Let's click done. Connect start with the screen element. We're going to add another screen element here to get the pick list value. But before that, let's get the pick list values in the resource. So we're going to have the pick list choice set resource type and the API name. So if we go back here to the campaign screen, so it has the status and it has 4 values under it. So let's fetch those 4 values. Object is campaign. Data type is pick list. Field is status. And you can set here, I'm setting it as ascending for the sort order. Done. Now we're going to create another screen element here. And let's set the label as campaign screen 2. We're going to search the component as pick list here, and let's drag and drop. Let's set the label as stage. Data type as text. And for the choice, let's get the status values. Done. Now let's connect these two. And after that, we are going to create record of campaign object. use separate resources and literal values, create record of campaign, set the fields as campaign. So in the name, campaign name, we are going to put the campaign name. Under the start date, you're going to have screen component start date. Under the stage, status, we're going to have stage screen component. Let's jump. Click the screen with the create record and let's say, so now let's debug the flow. Let's create on the debug. So let's put the campaign name as campaign 3, start date as 31st of May. Let's take the stage as in progress. Okay, so it says all done. Now if we go back to the campaign screen and let's refresh it. So as you can see here, campaign 3 campaign is created. So if we check the details, it has this campaign name as campaign 3, status as in progress, and start date as 31st of May, which is correct according to our input.